Hello, I'm back. My name's Kendall and I like to dye my hair. So I think what I want to do is a split dye. I do have a side part and I'm not entirely sure how that's going to work with the split dye. Not work, but how it's going to look, because I'm not going to wear my hair center part. I think I'm going to do the pink on this side, that way it's more present, since the pink is going to end up covering a little bit of the blue there. So I think that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to do the pink over here and the blue on this side. I'm going to be using Pulp Riot Hair Dyes. I've got a whole mixture of colors here in front of me. I don't know which ones I'm going to be using yet, but we'll figure that out. I've got Nemesis, Tragic, Sorcery, Blue Muse, and I don't have the box for this one, but Nightfall. So those are the colors I have for blue. Is that right? That's all of them? Yes, that's all my blue colors. Okay. And then for the pink side, I've got Cupid, very bright hot pink. And I have been putting red into my pink formula, so I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing today. But I do have Fireball, Countess, and Pyro. So those are all the colors I've got. Let's start mixing some of this hair dye. This is the color Nemesis. I actually haven't used a lot of these shades of blue, so I'm going to just do a small bit of each so I can see what the color actually does look like. So I'm really liking the Blue Muse color, which is this one right here. Tragic is nice as well, and Nightfall. We're going to put just a bunch of Blue Muse. I do really like this one. This is their neon blue. I will add Tragic. I forgot I broke the cap there. Yeah, see, Nightfall is really dark. Let's just mix this up and see the color that we're working with. I also do think it might need to be a little on the darker side just to cover all of the pink pigment in my hair. I do really like that brightness. So it looks like I'm just going to put this entire tube into it. Any hair dye that I have left over, I always save. Alright, so that's all of the Blue Muse. Going to add a little more Nightfall. And then let's just add some Nemesis, since I haven't yet. Alright, I hope that's not too dark. No, okay, maybe it'll be okay. Alright, so now that our blue formula is made, we're going to do the pink one. Now this is leftover hair dye I have from my last pink dye session. Alright, so here I've got Cupid, and I think I'm going to end up using the entire tube. We're going to add some Pyro. See, that's pretty. We're going to work with these two formulas. Since I'm only doing half my head with each color, I think this will be enough for the pink side. I'm very nervous about the blue, but hopefully it turns out well. Alright. Okay, so this parting isn't perfect.
Woke up this morning, looked in the mirror, I need a change. Time for something fresh and free. Pick a color, any tone, run with it, you're not alone. Grab the color box, pink or blue, maybe both. New shades changing self-esteem. Feeling bold and feeling bright, dye my hair till it feels right. Mix it up, time to transform. Feeling so alive now, can't believe this vibe, wow. I found myself somehow, gonna take a bow. New shades, new start, change it up, let it go. Colors in my hair, feel the rainbow come alive now. up, let it glow. Colors in my hair, feel the rainbow come alive now.
This is the current situation. I'm a mess. Now I like to leave the dye on for a long time, so I'm going to have it in my hair for at least 1 hour. Alright you guys, here is the result that I got. The blue is not even, it's definitely uneven. I don't know how well it'll show up on camera, but you can definitely see that my roots are not the same color as banding.
New shades, new